Hello everyone. Now we will start with the chapter 1 of class 11, that is your sociology and society. So continuing with the chapter, we were at the topic introducing sociology. As I have already explained to you, explanation of introducing sociology I have given to you. In this it has been given that sociology is the study of what social life means. In that para you have read about that sociology is study of social life, then what social life, groups and societies. So means definition of sociology, definition I have already given to you, but it also defines the sociology as the social life, groups and the society. And then in your books you can see that next paragraph has been given that sociology is not the first subject to do so. So people will have always observed and reflected upon societies and the groups in which they live. This is evident in the writing of philosophers, religious teachers and the legislators. Means these are being evident to the philosophers, religious teachers and your legislators. Means it has been provided to be as an evidence to the philosophers, religious teachers and the legislators, and legislators of all civilizations and your epochs. Then what this human trait of think about that our lives are and about the society is by no means confined to the philosophers and the social thinkers. Means it is not to be limited to the philosophers, to the philosophers and the social thinkers. Then all of us do have the ideas that is about our, means they all of us do have the ideas about our own everyday life. Means we should know about our own ideas that is relating to whatever everyday life. And not only to the everyday life of us, but also to the about others. Means also relating to the life of the others. Means but our own society and also about the other societies. So we should not own to the ideas of ours only, but our own society and also the other society. So there are the everyday notions that are common sense in terms of which we live our life. So however, the observations and the ideas that sociology as a discipline makes about sociology, about society, is different from both that of the philosophical reflections and the common sense. So we can say that sociology as a discipline, it makes that society is different from both of the philosophical reflections and the common sense. Means it is different from both the two things, that is your philosophical reflection and common sense. Then next, in the next para, it is given in your books that the observation of the philosophical and the religious thinkers that are often about what is moral or immoral in the human behavior. Means the philosophical, they observe, and the religious thinker, they observe often about what is moral and immoral in the human behavior, about the desirable way of living and about a good society. Means about the way of living and what is good to be in the society. And then sociology is also too concerns itself with the norms and the values. So we can say that sociology is also concerned with the norms. It has also been concerned with norms and the values. Then what? But it not only focuses on the norms and the values, means there is not only to be focused on this norms and the values, but as they ought to be, as the goal that the people should pursue. So its concern is with its concern is with the way that they functions in actual societies. So we can say that the concern of the sociology is with the functions that is to be provided in the functions to be provided in the actual society. Then next, after that, there has been provided about the empirical study. This is also to be included in the introducing sociology. Then is there empirical study. Empirical study of societies is an important part of the sociologist which they do. Means this is important part which the sociologist do. Then this is, however, does not mean that sociology is not concerned with the values. Means empirical study, it doesn't mean that it is sociology is being concerned with the values, but we can say that the sociologist is willing to observe and collect the finding. Means he is willing, he is able to do, you can say, collect. He is willing to observe. One thing he do is the observe, and other is the findings. Them, even if they are not to his or her personal liking. Means if it is not only not also related to his or her personal likings. Then next next it has been given that in any political and or your military conflict, it is of the advantage that is to capture the information that is being used by the intelligence organs of the opposing side. But this is so only because good intelligence consists of the information that is free of bias. Means there is no partiality in the information that is being provided. There is no falseness in the information. It is free from the bias. So we can say that political and the military conflict is of the advantage to capture the information that is being used by the intelligence organs of the opposing side. So, and being the information is free from bias, if the spy does his or her reporting that is in terms of the ideology and you're ambitious of his or her superiors, then his or her reports that are useless and not only to be the enemy. Then if the later should capture them but also to the spy's own side, then the sociologist is a spy in very much the same way. Then next is next it is written that his or her job is to report as accurately as he or she can about a certain terrain. So this is about the a spy. It is being given all relating to the spy. Sociologist being as a spy is very much in the same way. Then next is it given that does this mean that the sociologist has no social responsibility to ask about the goal of his or study or the work of to which the sociologist findings will be applied? Means does the sociologist has no responsibility relating to what? Relating to asking about the goals. Goals is your achievements, your objectives. That is relating to the study or the work to which the sociologist findings will be applied. Means he his social there is being the social responsibility of the sociologist, does he be given the responsibility of asking about the goals? This is the question. He or she has such a responsibility just like any other citizen of the society. So in the answer it is being given that he or she is being given the responsibility, has such responsibility like others in the society, other citizens of the society. But this asking is not sociological asking. In this asking is not the sociological askings. So this is the biologist whose biological knowledge can be employed to heal or kill, and this does not mean the biologist is free of responsibility. Means being asking is not the sociological askings. So we can say that biologist whose biological knowledge can be employed to heal or kill, uh, either to heal or kill. Then this does not means that the biologist is free of responsibility. Means he is not free from his responsibility. That this doesn't means that he is free from his responsibility as to which use she survives. Then he or she serves, sorry. But this is not a biological question. So till now, that's it.